Welcome to my channel. How to set up Ethernet backhaul with TP Link Deco. 1. Check your Deco models. Confirm that your TP Link Deco units support Ethernet backhaul. Most Deco models do, but verify in the user manual. 2. Plan the placement. Position the main Deco near your modem and other Deco units where they can be wired together via Ethernet. 3. Connect the main Deco to the modem. Use an Ethernet cable to connect the main Deco unit to your modem's LAN port. 4. Set up the main Deco. Use the TP Link Deco app to complete the initial setup of the main Deco. Follow the on-screen instructions. 5. Run Ethernet cables. Lay Ethernet cables from the main Deco to the locations of the other Deco units where you want to enable backhaul. 6. Connect additional Deco units. Plug one end of the Ethernet cable into a LAN port on the main Deco and the other end into the LAN/WAN port of the secondary Deco units. 7. Power on the secondary Deco units. Plug in and turn on the additional Deco units. Wait for them to connect automatically to the main Deco. 8. Verify the connection. Open the Deco app and ensure the secondary units are listed as online. The app should show an Ethernet backhaul connection. 9. Optimize network settings. Use the Deco app to check network performance and make adjustments, such as renaming SIDs or prioritizing devices. 10. Test the connection. Check the internet speed and stability at each Deco unit's location to ensure the Ethernet backhaul is working effectively. Thank you for watching.